Hi Bethany, this is Richard at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for inquiring on our 2017 Honda HR-V in blue. Got that exact vehicle right here. I think my manager emailed you not too long ago letting you know we have over 45 HR-Vs in stock for you to choose from. Please give me a call at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the car pulled up, gassed up. I'm going to roll out the red car for you, Bethany, make this the easiest buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard. My number is 205-541-2862. And when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.